Hey everyone, today we're talking about how to make money from affiliate marketing. Let's know about basics of affiliate marketing first. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each customer brought about by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. In this model, the business acts as a merchant and the affiliate acts as a promoter. The affiliate is given a unique link or code to promote the business's products or services, and when a sale is made as a result of the affiliate's promotion, the affiliate is paid a commission. The commission is usually a percentage of the sale amount, and can vary depending on the agreement between the business and the affiliate. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income and turn your passion into profit. Now we are going to discuss how to make money from affiliate marketing in 7 simple yet effective steps. So let's dive in. Step 1. Choose your niche. The first step in affiliate marketing is to choose a niche or topic that you're passionate about. This could be anything from health and wellness to fashion to travel. The key is to choose a niche that you have a genuine interest in and that you can easily create content around. This will make the process of creating content and promoting products much more enjoyable. Step 2. Sign up for affiliate programs. Once you have a niche, it's time to sign up for affiliate programs. These programs are offered by companies who want you to promote their products to your followers. You can find affiliate programs in a variety of ways, including searching online, reaching out to companies directly, or using affiliate networks like Commission Junction, ShareASale, or Amazon Associates. Look for programs that offer a high commission and products that align with your niche. Step 3. Create valuable content. The next step is to create valuable content that showcases the products you want to promote. This can be in the form of blog posts, videos, tutorials, or social media posts. The goal is to provide your followers with helpful information and valuable insights that they can't find anywhere else. Make sure to highlight the benefits of the products you're promoting and explain why they're worth buying. Step 4. Build your audience. The more followers you have, the more potential customers you have. So make sure to engage with your audience, answer their questions, and provide value. You can do this by creating a blog, starting a YouTube channel, or building a social media presence. The key is to create a community around your niche that you can build a relationship with. You can find an article on my blog for how to build your audience in 2023. Step 5. Promote affiliate products. Now it's time to start promoting your affiliate products. Make sure to only promote products that you have tried and trust. You can also offer your followers exclusive discounts or promo codes for extra motivation. Be transparent about your affiliate relationship and make sure to disclose that you may receive a commission for any sales made through your unique affiliate link. You can find the link of Best Affiliate Course in the description. Step 6. Track your results. It's important to track your results so you can see what's working and what's not. This will help you adjust your strategies and maximize your earnings. You can use tools like Google Analytics to track your website traffic and conversion rates, or you can use affiliate tracking software to see how many sales you're making. Step 7. Scale your affiliate marketing efforts. As you start to see success, you can scale your efforts by creating more content, finding new affiliate programs, and reaching out to new audiences. You can also diversify your income streams by promoting multiple products and services. The sky's the limit when it comes to affiliate marketing, so make sure to always be open to new opportunities and keep learning. Now we are going to know about 7 best platforms for affiliate marketing. First is Amazon Affiliate Program. Amazon's affiliate program, also known as Amazon Associates, allows affiliates to earn a commission for promoting Amazon products. The program offers a wide range of products, from books and electronics to clothing and home goods. Amazon also offers tools for affiliates, such as links and banners, to help promote their products. One of the benefits of Amazon's program is the high conversion rate, as Amazon is a trusted and well-known brand. However, the commission rate is relatively low compared to other affiliate programs. Second is Commission Junction. Commission Junction is a performance-based affiliate network that connects advertisers and affiliates. The platform offers a wide range of products and services, including physical goods and digital products. Commission Junction provides affiliates with access to detailed reporting, as well as a variety of creative materials to help promote products. Commission Junction also offers a variety of payment options, including check and direct deposit. Third is Rakuten Marketing. Rakuten Marketing is a performance-based affiliate network that offers a variety of products and services to promote, including physical goods and digital products. The network provides affiliates with access to detailed reporting and a range of tools to help promote products, such as links, banners, and email templates. Rakuten Marketing also offers a referral program, allowing affiliates to earn additional commissions for referring new affiliates to the network. Fourth is ShareASale. ShareASale is a popular affiliate network that offers a wide range of products and services to promote, with a strong focus on performance-based marketing. The platform provides affiliates with access to detailed reporting and a range of tools, such as links and banners, to help promote products. ShareASale also offers a variety of payment options, including check and direct deposit, and a referral program to help affiliates earn additional commissions. Fifth is ClickBank. ClickBank is a platform that connects advertisers and affiliates, offering a variety of digital products to promote, such as ebooks, software, and online courses. ClickBank provides affiliates with access to detailed reporting and a range of tools, such as links and banners, to help promote products. The platform also offers a variety of payment options, including check and direct deposit, and a referral program to help affiliates earn additional commissions. Sixth is Flex Offers. Flex Offers is a platform that connects advertisers and affiliates, offering a variety of products and services to promote. The platform provides affiliates with access to detailed reporting and a range of tools, such as links and banners, to help promote products. Flex Offers also offers a variety of payment options, including check and direct deposit, and a referral program to help affiliates earn additional commissions. Seventh is Pepper Jam Network. Pepper Jam Network is a performance-based affiliate network that offers a wide range of products and services to promote, with a focus on technology and innovation. The network provides affiliates with access to detailed reporting and a range of tools, such as links and banners, to help promote products. Pepper Jam Network also offers a referral program, allowing affiliates to earn additional commissions for referring new affiliates to the network. It's worth noting that these programs may have different commission structures, payment options, and requirements for joining, so it's important to do your own research and determine which program is best for you and your business. And there you have it, 7 steps to make money from affiliate marketing and 7 best programs for affiliate marketing. Remember, success takes time and effort, but with patience and persistence, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.